Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an elf from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute elf, let's start with drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And let's come right across and draw another circle, but right here. Just enough room for his little nose. Okay, so then now that we have the circles in, let's come back in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So I really hope you love these Christmas holiday Squishmallows that I've been drawing for you. So I got the elf here, I did Santa, gingerbread girl, a whole bunch, Christmas tree. So definitely check out that playlist, please, if you love these characters. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's come in between and we're going to draw a little oval for his nose. So say about right here, and go ahead and draw an oval. So curve in the top, round it off on the sides, and connect at the bottom. There. And then let's give our elf here a sweet smile. So right underneath the nose, I'm just going to draw a curve. Nice and simple. And then go ahead and cap it off. Now that we have that in, let's come and draw. We're going to start to draw the face. So we're going to have a pretty wide because it is a Squishmallow. So let's come to, say, about right here. In this area right here, I'm going to basically draw a curve. So let's start about right here, a little bit above the eye, and it's going to come a little bit below the mouth. So let's just say about right here. We're going to draw this curve. So let's do the same thing on the other side. See about right here, the same area, and about same level, so about right there. And the reason we want to draw that is because we're going to be drawing a curve right across. So now that this point is, it's about the same height as the eye, slightly higher, we're going to go up and connect it with a curve. So this being my center, that's going to be my highest point. And then now I can start to come down back to that point. Then let's come right here and I'm going to go really close to the hat. Oh, this is the rim of our hat. And then draw a curve for his brow. There. Okay, so then from there, let's work on the top. We're going to draw the trim of the hat right now. So let's go up. And we're still continuing kind of this Squishmallow curve at the top. So let's go up. So we still need to curve it up. And about right there, let's go ahead and bring it across. Following your bottom curve. All the way across. And about right there, just like the other side, just bring it in and connect. So we have the trim here for the hat, and then let's continue this curve. Imagine it going through, and about right here, I'll just go ahead and draw a curve. And let's see here. Before we draw the rest, I forgot. What I need to do is to draw the ears. Okay, so let's bring this down a tiny bit more. I feel like I need a little bit more room. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve right across. So now we have our elf's face all framed in. Now we can go ahead and draw his very important ears. So in this space right here, let's bring out a curve, round off the tip, and bring it down. And some details inside, a curve, and another curve. So same exact thing. In the space we have right here, let's go ahead and draw our pointy elf ear and bring it in. So once again, same thing for details inside. Now we can go ahead and finish the rest of the hat. So we need to surround this ear right here with that little poof ball in the hat. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to curve a circle around. There, now, so that way we can draw both ears and just have this really huge poof ball. Okay, so let's go up for the hat, and this being my center, I'm going to go up, say about right here will be my highest point. So I know to go all the way up here, and then about right there, I'm going to round it off and come right back down. There, now I have my elf hat in. Okay, so then now let's draw some this trim of the collar right here. In this area right here, I'm going to pop out these curves. So I'm going to go one, this little ruffle thing that's going on in the collar. And I'll just draw both sides first. So it's a little bit, make sure I have these two curves in. And then I can go ahead and I'll just go ahead and wobble my way across. So I'm just going to come about right here towards the center. And then come down again, just to make it easier. And about right there, go right back up. There. So just try to make this center part a little bit lower and then go up. Now we can go ahead and draw the rest of the body. So let's bring this out a little bit more so that we can continue the shape. So from there, about right here, go ahead and draw the Squishmallow shape. And we can go ahead and round it off. Okay, so now let's go ahead and connect it towards the bottom. There. So now for some details on the outfit right here. Let's come to this. Let's come to the center in this area. We're going to draw the buckle. So let's say about right here. Go ahead, draw a straight line, round it off. Same thing here. Just going to round that off, round the corners, another straight line, and round it off. And then inside. It's nice and straight, just follow your outside. And for the band that goes across, so about right here, go ahead and bring it in and here. And same thing over here. So just follow our top and bring it in. Yay. Okay, now for some buttons right underneath the nose in the center. We're going to have one button right here that's kind of covered, and then another one, another circle right here, whatever space you have left. There, and that is pretty much it for this elf Squishmallow, except I have to put a heart, and since I don't have room here, I'm going to put it up here. So right here, and that is pretty much it. Now it's my Draw So Cute elf from Squishmallows. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me and inspires you to draw it for this Christmas. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.